Guys, it is day 3, last day at the ice cream cruise.
The running to the cops, that's the motto. I don't see it coming to an end like legato. Get chipped like cicados in the wave through the hood now.
We are hanging out at the roll racing. There's about 100 and, oh hey, that's a Jacob. There's about 150 cars roll racing. We got Andrew and Seth out here. They're gonna be doing some ride-alongs. Klaus is hurt a little bit. We got that same part where Rob Dom cracked the diff. It's starting to crack again on this new one. So we're just gonna see how long it holds. I drained all the diff fluid out so we won't spill on the track, but then there's no diff fluid in it. We'll be fine for 6, 7, 10 runs, something like that. It'll hold just fine.
We'll see.
It's gonna be great. Let's get the car ready. That was pretty fun. We raced, I don't even know what it was. Someone, might have been me, we left the boost turned on, or at least there was air in the CO2 line again. So we made 16 pounds of boost, about 1,200 horsepower. It spun first, second, third, fourth, and the guys were like, you did a burnout down the entire roll racing track. So that was fun. So we got that unplugged, and then we dropped some air out of the tires. And so we're gonna make another one, see how it goes. See if any of these YouTubers want to smoke. I know we're racing the van. I want to race Sketchy too. Let's go. Was much better. We were on 10 pounds of boost that time and put the pressure down to 15. Kept going. It got a little bouncy, which was weird. I think it felt good. Yeah. Gave a Charger a gap before that, so we're gonna find someone else to race.
Who should we call out?
I don't know. We should call out someone.
Somebody fun.
I know. Who likes to party? We gotta find someone.
I guess we gotta find a party car.
Yep, that's true. That does look like a party. This R8 right here is owned by Kyle Loftus. You guys know him, 1320. Me and him are going to do a roll race next. And I believe his buddy Matt is going to be the one that's driving it. So we're going to have some fun. And we're going to go over here and take Choe for a ride as well.
Oh my God. Oh my God, dude. I am so nervous. Oh my goodness. Oh, love this. It's so much fun. Take me to the hospital. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, this is crazy. Oh my God, God bless your soul. Oh my goodness. I can't believe what we just did right now. I thought we were gonna take off.
A lot of people have experienced Klaus for the first time, and we've gotten some reactions. Your first time was in a roll race here at Ice Cream Cruise. How did that go for you?
So, first thing I want to say is, I need to go to the hospital after that run. But dude, before we even raced, my blood pressure was rising. I could feel it. This car, it's a whole different feel, 1,000 horsepower. I think, honestly, this is probably my first 1,000 horsepower car.
Well, then you need to go for the 1,500 horsepower.
No, you know what? Then you definitely gotta take me to the hospital. like right after. No, honestly, and the craziest thing is, this is not even like, this is an all-purpose built car. I love the style. This is my first Exo car. So, you can probably tell by my voice. I'll be sending him the footage of my reaction. But dude, it was beyond amazing. Like seriously, if you guys ever have a chance to drive, or not drive, I mean, to be in this car, I'm telling you, it is something. It's something else. You know, I've been driving with like a lot of other drivers here, but this one right here is like at the top of my list right now.
Awesome.
It is. It is
Glad you enjoyed it, man.
No, God, thank you guys so much for letting me go on a ride with this thing. And maybe one day I'll be in it when it goes drifting.
Yeah.
It's got an angle kit. You guys believe that? It's a drift car. Now that's my style right there. No, thank you guys.
Thank you, dude. Appreciate it. Glad you enjoyed yourself.
No.
This has been a blast. We did quite a few more runs. We raced Matt. Yeah, he was driving Kyle's R8. And then we actually had Matt and Klaus. And then we raced against Kyle and his ZR1. That makes about 1,000 horsepower. And we lost to him because that same problem. I'm going from first to second. And it's wanting to grind and it's not going into gear. So I don't know what that's about, but it like takes a second for it to get in gear. So I'm gonna have to like granny shift, double clutch as they would say. But now we got a new race. This has been the fastest car out here. This is a twin turbo built motor all-wheel drive Huracan. Makes like 1,400 horsepower they said, and he's got it turned up and it's all-wheel drive, so he's gonna put the gap on us. And Matt, who's not around, he's gonna be back, he said, and we're gonna tell him like 30 roll, let him pace, but we're gonna start like 200 feet early and fly by him and then see if he can catch up. You know, gotta make it fun. Racing that Lambo, throttle cable snapped. That really sucked. Sorry, they're still doing some more racing. As you can see, try to get some light on it. What we did to get back to the pits is I took off my shoestrings from my race shoes and tied it to the throttle cable. It works. It works really well, actually. And so they're going to be wrapping up this shootout racing that they have going on right now. And then we got the Joe Hunt Memorial Burnout Contest. This is just a standing one. It's just stand still and blow that set of tires off. And we're gonna just swap the tires. And we're gonna try to do this. We're gonna try to get this done, get this burnout done with me just pulling on the string. Oh yeah, he just said burnout contest. Wow, look at us right now. Ice Cream Cruise 2023.
3:32 a.m.
Oh my god. It's been a 3 days.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
It ain't over. We got to wake up tomorrow.
We gotta drive.
Trek home. I'm a little further than you.
Yeah. But this has been a 3-day weekend that we're gonna remember for a while. Everything went amazing. Everyone was great. Great networking. Everything. It was literally roll racing on the racetrack while eating tacos and fajitas.
1320 Video knows how to put on an after party.
Oh yeah, 3 in the morning racing. It's been fun.
Yeah.
I can see in this camera I'm just covered in burnout stuff. Klaus did great in that last burnout. Everything's perfect.
I don't know how it's still alive, to be honest.
Drove on the trailer and there's nothing wrong with it besides a busted throttle cable and a cracked diff cover. I'm okay with that. We didn't even lose a belt this weekend.
That's monumental.
That's a big thing.
Has that ever happened before?
I don't think so ever. But we're going to end it off there. You guys have a good one. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever those YouTubers say.
Super fun weekend. Thank
Super.
you guys for having us. It was awesome.
Balls are out. You recorded that.
That might have just been good timing.